Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is Sunday, but don't tell FedEx that because they're hard at work making deliveries this morning. Found these two outside to my surprise, and what do we have? No surprise here, these are going to be goodies for my vehicle that is replacing my 2014 Ford Taurus Show that I just sold. And for my new Dodge Durango RT with the tow and go package. You already know what these are, but we'll show you anyway. Did a great job of packaging these with the safety seal around them. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. That, my friend, is the Jeep Trackhawk and the Durango SRT style wheel in gloss black. And that's going to look excellent contrast with my silver Durango RT. And I got the red brake calipers that you'll be able to see behind the wheel. And these were supposed to come with the SRT logo on the center caps. Even though my car is not an SRT, it does have the tow and go package, and it's going to have the red brake calipers that say SRT on them, so it wouldn't hurt to have an SRT on the center cap either. But oh well, it looks fine without it either way. So, and I got some other goodies here I'm going to show you that I already got for the vehicle. And as I move to the basement, here's a stash of more goodies I got. I've never done this before with the vehicle. Bought a bunch of mods and goodies for it, even before I even took delivery of the vehicle. But we got the Husky weather beater floor liners. I've always used WeatherTech, but lately Husky has been offering much better prices for the front row and the second row floors. And I also got the this cargo liner goes in the back. And we got my good buddy friend over at the Riviera Record has the yellow fog light. So I went and got some yellow tint for the fog lights. And here's another big purchase I got. It's the Afe Cold Air Intake. It says for the 5.7 liter V8 for the Jeep Cherokee, but it fits, that's probably upside down, but it fits right into the Dodge Durango engine too as well. And I'm thinking about getting a throttle body for it as well and some other goodies, but stay tuned. And I'll show you the vehicle the day of delivery in stock mode. And I'll also make videos of all these different aftermarket parts I'm putting on it as well. So stay tuned.